Today I am doing a review on the Whitney and Tarte palette. Woo! Whitney Simmons is a beauty and lifestyle fitness YouTuber, mostly fitness and lifestyle, and she did a collab with Tarte. I'm so proud of her. She is so positive, so beautiful. She seems like a wonderful person. I have not met her, but I created this look today using all of the products and I love it. It is beautiful. I will show you some swatches. Right there you can see Sweat on the left and Flex above it. That is the blush and highlight color. Then we have the color Reps, which is a dark brown. Cardio, which is a metallic rose. Trainer, which is a metallic rose gold. Tone Up, which is a warm brown color. Snatched, which is a mauve color. And Cut, which is an orangey cream color. The palette is so cute. I love this purple, I love the gold, I love how it feels in the hand. This palette is $35. It also comes with a man-eater mascara, travel size, trial size, mini size, you know. And it also comes with a lipstick in the color Bare Bud, which is a Glide and Go buttery lipstick. It's got cute little cardboard packaging, makes a fun sound. And it's a cute, it looks really brown in the package, but on it's a very sheer rosy color. I love it. I'm wearing it right now. I'm a fan. Cool. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. All right, I am looking a little crazy, but I'm so excited. This just came out today. All right, so this is the lipstick. It is called Bare Bud. It's kind of a slightly pinkish nude color. This is not part of my comfort zone. Oh, but it's super sheer. Okay, that's super pretty. Nice. Okay, so that's gonna be fun. And I'll do close-up swatches in the B-roll. A man-eater mascara, which I think, yeah, this has kind of the plastic bristles. Again, I'll show you close-ups, but that looks like my style of mascara, so that excites me. And then the palette, it's so cute. Oh, look at that. It's got all her favorite things. It's got some shoes, some workout gear. It's a nice hard plastic. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and that is what it looks like on the inside. Try not to blind you too much. Super pretty. The inside kind of has like a sticker around the pans with the names on it. I wonder if that comes off. Nope, that's supposed to be there. All right, so I'm gonna leave that. But it's super pretty. It looks like the top row, and I'll do swatches of all of this, but the top row is a matte, what looks to be a satin to me, a matte, a metallic, and a matte. So this is, I love this stuff. I love the boring, warm toned, natural looking makeup. Like, this is my jam. In her video, she said that it's something that could just be thrown in your gym bag and you could top off after work, after workout. Clearly, I've been out of the gym too long, but it's beautiful. I'm just gonna go straight into the tutorial. So my lids are, let's zoom in. Okay, obviously I did the Whitney Simmons bushier brow today, and I'm realizing that I need to pluck them. So we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna go in with the color Cut first with just a fluffy crease brush. I'm taking the Morphe M573. You know, old trusty favorite. Yes, I do need to clean my brushes, and yes, I do need to paint my nails. Will I get to it? Stay tuned a couple videos from now to find out. Haha. Okay, I'm going to take the Real Techniques base shadow brush and go into the color Cut. which is kind of a creamy nude color. Yeah, this is a little bit darker than my actual skin tone. I think this is more of a transition shade for me, but I like it. It's very her. It's very kind of orange tone. She loves the orange tones, which I can get down with. I think even just that is kind of a look. I support it. Okay, I'm gonna take it up close to the brow bone, but not quite. Okay, and then we're gonna go into let's take Snatched, which is the second color, the middle color on the top row, and we're gonna go into the crease. Oh, that's pretty. That is so like effortlessly blending. I do have primer on the lids and I have set the lids, so blending is good, but I'm still getting good pigmentation as well, so I like this so far. Okay, looking good. Let's deepen up the crease. Okay, I'm gonna use my Morphe crease brush and the color Reps, which is the matte brown, and I'm gonna go into the outer corner. And the crease. I really like these colors because they're just very, these are very everyday kind of colors for me, so I'm digging it so far. Ooh yeah, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go over the edges with Cut, just right along here to blend out Reps a little bit. Okay, that's looking really pretty. Okay, and now I'm taking a Morphe kind of flat shader brush, and what do I want to do? I'm gonna try Cardio, which is kind of a pinky mauve color. Let's get a little wild and crazy, shall we? And I'm going in with a dry brush. Okay. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but totally manageable. It's not the most impactful. It's a little bit patchy right there, so I'm gonna try my finger, and then we'll try it wet. Oh yeah, much better. Most metallics don't perform that well with a dry brush. Okay, this is really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlight color Flex and just kind of use my finger and pop that in the center of the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to take it in the inner corner as well. That's pretty. I think this is a highlighter that will work well for a lot of different skin tones. I think the palette as well, because this is kind of a darker highlight on me. I'm kind of nervous to see how it does on the cheeks, but I think for the inner corner it is very cohesive with the whole look. If it was a really white blinding highlight like an opal or a moonstone from Becca, it might be a little bit too much and overpower the kind of smoky tones of the palette. So I think that was a good choice on that end. We'll see how it performs on the face. Now I want to go in with, let's do Tone Up under the lash line. Ooh, that's very orange. That's very Whitney, but it still looks good. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Let me try this mascara. I'm not going to curl my lashes because I typically don't. So we'll just stay true to what it does. It does kind of have some spiky bits on the end, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we'll see. So far I'm loving it. Like first swipe, I was like, oh yes, clump crusher, give it to me. Ooh, pretty. Okay, that is one coat of the Maneater mascara. I love it so far. It is exactly my style of mascara. It is lengthening, it's volumizing, but it's also very separating. And that is exactly my jam. Looks good on the lower lash line. I think I'm in love. If it wears long, then this could be my new bae. Wow. All right, first impressions. This mascara might beat out my Hourglass Caution mascara. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you out and we will take care of the rest of the face. All right, so that's looking great to me. Let's go in with the blush. Okay, I like it. It's not overly pigmented, which I think is a good thing for blushes, because blush is probably the only product that I don't want to be high impact, because then it just doesn't look natural on the skin. But I feel like this is working pretty well. Yeah, that's super pretty. It's kind of a dusty rose sort of color. It's not too pink. It's got a little bit of brown to it. I dig it. Good job, Wit Wit. Okay, now we're gonna do some highlight. She really missed an opportunity. The blush is called Sweat and the highlighter is called Flex. She should have swapped those, because then the highlight, everybody wants their highlighter to look like they're just slightly sweaty on their cheekbones. So she should have called the highlighter Sweat. Small critique. Okay, let's do this. Pretty. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Wit Wit, what have you done? Oh my god. Excuse me, what? Girl, this is beautiful. It does look like my cheekbones are sweating. Haha. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlight just underneath my brow bone. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Girl, that palette, A++. I used every color. It's a little hard to open. Every color except for Trainer, but that looks beautiful. Love, love, love. Let's clean up and let's do the lipstick. I'm going to not line my lips, which is bold choice, Emily, bold choice. But I think because it's so sheer, it'll be fine. I just noticed on the mirror it says shape your moneymaker. Let's brush. Oh, that's so pretty. That is a perfect throw in your bag lipstick. I do have a little bit of lip balm underneath, the Laneige lip balm, but that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit of setting spray so I can leave this on all day because I have a couple more videos to film today. So productive. Okay, that is the final look. If you're thinking about buying this palette, do it. I really think that it is a great throw in your bag travel palette, put in your gym bag, leave at work. If you're anything like me, I used to have a makeup bag in my desk at work for those days when I just had to get out the door a lot faster than I needed to, and then I had makeup that I could do at work really fast, and this would be great for that. It does have everything you need. I do wish it had a bronzer. Overall, I think it's great. I love it. I think the like sticker overlay is a little cheap. I wish they hadn't done that, but whatevs. The quality is great. For 35 bucks, I think that's totally a value set. So I like it. It's online right now, and it just came out at Ulta today. So do it. And also check out Whitney's channel. She is a health and lifestyle YouTuber. Her channel is super helpful. Her Instagram, I think every day maybe, she posts like a workout, like a quick workout set on her Instagram so that you can just have it on your phone and do it, and she has videos. She's super positive and bubbly, beautiful girl, so beautiful. And I just really like everything that she stands for. She's body positive, but you know, she's very positive about your body. Like, it's not about what you look like, it's about how you feel and taking care of yourself, and I can 100% stand behind that, and I feel like this palette plays right into that branding. So I love this. I love her. Please check them out, both of them. And if you try it, tag me in your pictures and tell me what you think and show me what you come up with. What YouTuber collabs are you most looking forward to right now? Or not even YouTubers, like celebs. I know people are excited about Lady Gaga's line, so tell me what you're excited about. Hit that bell down below to get notified every time I upload a video. Please subscribe if you're not already, and thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, follow me on social media at EmilyFunBun everywhere. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day and a great weekend, and I hope you enjoyed this little bonus video. Bye!